Did you know you can have one platform app for business app development where subject matter experts can contribute to processes and apps development, while IT experts enhance the applications as more customization and sophisticated business logic is needed? Leveraging the power of Software AG's Web Methods platform, organizations can innovate faster, engage with customers better, and perform processes more efficiently. Let's face it, building apps the traditional way takes way too long and isn't ideal for fast-changing requirements during development cycles. As much as 85% of an enterprise's IT budget can be spent on maintaining and upgrading multiple or excessive existing systems. This doesn't leave much room in the budget for the next innovative application. It's time for a new approach, a bimodal approach. Software AG's Dynamic Apps platform can accommodate IT developers and line of business personnel at their skill level. With Dynamic Apps, both groups work seamlessly on the same platform. Business users can create apps visually that help them work and collaborate. IT can integrate legacy systems in a snap. And this single platform can accommodate different development approaches across different locations or disciplines. Software AG's Web Methods platform for bimodal apps development can accelerate your company's digital transformation. Learn more about bimodal business innovation at the Software AG Innovation Hub. Go to softwareag.com/WM Hub.